Hello friends, today we have come up with another video. It is regards to 15-inch monitor. You can see there is one round spot and another one is here. There are two spots. So this is the thin panel we need to change. Okay, in case of LCD TV, LED TV, we can change that. So we have changed this panel. This one made by Samsung, from Samsung monitor, and over here you can see there is a ViewSonic monitor. Over here it is ViewSonic. The monitor is running. We have changed it and successfully you can see the glow just coming up. Just check it. And we put this, taken out this panel, and we have put a new panel here in ViewSonic monitor. And now you can see the monitor will start just within few seconds. I think I'm just having difficulty with some kind of switch or some sort of that. Understand? See, there is no spot. Okay, and over here there is two spot. So in such way we can change the panel, and this is the product and this is the material where we can see the picture with the help of this cob. These are cob, you can see. Okay, over here cob. Okay, so we cannot change the cob, but in China it is also possible to change the cob. So the video relates to this, and I think you can understand. In case of any question, anything you want to know, please write us in comment box and we'll guide you. We'll answer your question. Thanks.